Hi guys, welcome to my Disneyland Pixar Fest haul. I went to Disneyland last week for Pixar Fest and I had so much fun. We rode the Incredicoaster for the first time and I loved it. I love how they incorporated a storyline to the roller coaster. Before, it didn't really appeal to me and I had never ridden it before when it was California Screaming, due to me being afraid of any full turns. But the fact that they changed it and added a storyline to it, I was like really hesitant to want to ride it, and finally my friend convinced me and so we rode it and I really loved it. It was so much fun. The turn wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be, and I love how they fixed up the Pixar Pier. I was kind of sad because it's like change. It's like, you never really know how it's gonna go or how it's gonna be, but it turns out that I really liked it. Everything that they did was really cute. I love everything that they added to it and how it just gives you this Pixar feel the whole time that you're there. So yeah, so while I was there I got some things. Some are Pixar Fest, some are just regular Disneyland things. So yeah, let me show you and let's get started. So first off, one of the things, the first things that I got while I was there was this tumbler. As you can see, it says 2018 Pixar Fest Celebrating Friendship and Beyond, so that's really cute. And then at the bottom it has the alien with the claw, and this is really cool because it also lights up and it has different modes. So it has that one, it has this one, and then it also has this one, and then it has the straw up right here. So yeah, so I thought this was really cute. It says ooh the claw right here. This one was $14.99. Another Pixar Fest item that I got was this mug. It has the Pixar Fest Disneyland 2018 and it has different Pixar characters. As you can see, Miss Incredible, Miguel, Nemo, Woody, Inger, Jack, Wally, Buzz, and the Disneyland castle right here, as well as Frozone. And yeah, so I thought this was really cute and I love having mugs. So this is the mug that I got and it's really big too, so I like that. So this was $16.99. Another mug that I got was this one, which is for the hot and cold drinks. Here's Miguel and the Incredibles and Wally, and this I don't remember how much it was. I think it was like $10 or $15. I don't remember. I'll look up the price. But this, you get this where you buy your food, so it comes included with the drink. So it comes with the drink inside. And another Pixar Fest item that I got that I thought was really cool, it's still in the bag, but this is a straw. It has the Pixar lamp and the ball, and it's a little swirly straw, and haven't opened it yet because I honestly don't even want to use it because I think it's so cute. So this was $6. This is not Pixar Fest, but this is a mug that I got for my mom. It's a travel mug. So this is what it looks like. It has Minnie and it says 2018 Disneyland Resort. And I love the artwork right here too. And on the back it says 2018, the year to be here, and then it has the D for Disneyland at the bottom. And yeah, so this is really cool. Put your coffee in there, your tea, your hot drinks, and you can just take it with you on the go. And this is like ceramic, so you do have to be careful with this one not to break it. And this mug was $19.99. And then I kind of got my dad the matching mug, but this is not travel. So this one has the D and it says Disneyland Resort. And on the other side, it's Mickey with a 2018. So that's why I say that it's like a matching mug. So I got my dad this one. And this one was $19.99 as well. And a couple other mugs that I got for myself was this one. It's a tailspin mug. And it has all the characters, and I hadn't seen a mug like this ever. And I used to watch Tailspin growing up, so I loved it. It was one of my favorite cartoons. So as soon as I saw this, I decided that I needed it and I had to get it, and this was $13.99. So it's really cute. It's not as big as the Pixar Fest one, but because it's a little bit shorter, but it's still really cute. And then inside it has the logo as well. And this mug was $13.99. And another mug that I got was this one. It's the Chip and Dale Rescue Rangers, and I also grew up watching these cartoons, so has all the characters right here. It's really cute, and then it has the Chip and Dale Rescue Rangers on the other side, and same thing, it has the logo. It's backwards actually. It has the logo right there, and it's the same as the Tailspin one, and this is also $13.99. And one of my favorite items that I got was this Zully popcorn bucket. So it's really big, it doesn't even fit on the screen, but it's really cool. It has a strap if you want to hang it, and on the back that's where it opens up, and that's where you could put your popcorn. I usually ask for them to put it on the side just because I don't want to use this and I don't want to get this dirty, because we don't go home right away. I don't want it to have butter inside and then having to wash it in the hotel room late at night. It's probably the butter's gonna get all up in there. So this one was $20, so it's a little bit more pricey, but I thought it was really cute. And when else are you gonna get a popcorn Zully bucket, right? So you just had to get this one. And I got a couple plushes for my brother and my sister. So this one is the Mike. It's kind of like a baby version in a way. He has big feet though. And this one, I think they had a sale that was like 2 for $40, so technically it was $20. So he really liked this one, and I thought it was really cute, and especially because he already has a Zully, so he needed to have this one. And for my little sister, I got her Thumper. So he's really cute, also kind of like baby version, has big feet, but it's really adorable. He was also one of the ones that was 2 for $40, so technically it was $20. And my brother is a big lightsaber fan, so I got him this one. It's the Jedi training. He already pretty much has all the other ones, so this one is the only one that he didn't have. On the bottom, as you can see, it says the Jedi Training Academy. He did do the Jedi training last time that we went, but he didn't get this lightsaber because he built his own. So this one, I think it was about $14. And a couple keychains that I got were, this one I already have one of the lightsaber ones, but Kylo Ren was my favorite and I could not find it last time that we went, so I finally found it this time. And this one also, it lights up, and yeah, so this one, it's one of the teal ones. It says Star Wars, and then it says Kylo Ren on the other side, and I don't remember the price, but it was one of the teal ones, so I have to look that one up. And I got this lanyard, which is A Nightmare Before Christmas. So it has the characters kind of like the Haunted Mansion paintings. As you can see, there's Jack, and then there's Sally standing on the rope, which is really cute. And this lanyard was $12.99. Another keychain that I got was this one, and this one is the Sorcerer Mickey head, and it lights up, and then so every time you hit it or it hits somewhere, it'll light up, which I thought was really cute. And this was one of the red items, so I'll look up how much this one was. A couple of jewelry items that I got, one of them was this Alex and Ani bracelet, which has the grape soda little charm. I originally wanted the Up House, but they didn't have it anymore because they were sold out, so this is the only one that I actually found on Main Street that they actually still had, so I got this one. So yes, it's really cute. I believe this was $45. And another Pixar Fest item that I got was this Wally, which is really cute. He's holding the little plant. He's kind of heavy, but I thought he was really cute. So, and I hadn't seen a Wally necklace ever, so I had to get it. He was $19.99. Another jewelry item that I got was this charm bracelet. As you can see, it has different charms. So this is Mickey's Fun Wheel, Donald Duck, Minnie and the castle, and Mickey and then the castle, and Pluto's up here. So this one was $30. And I got this necklace for my little sister. And it just has the little charms. So it has a Mickey, it has a Disneyland castle, the Disneyland logo, and then a little pink charm. And it has the Mickey ears for earrings. She loves pink, so as soon as I saw that it had the little pink rhinestone, I just knew I had to get it for her. So this was $19.99. I got a few pins. So this is one, it's from the Solo movie, and this is Kira, and it's cute and it's pink and it says "We're doing this my way," and I absolutely love her, so I had to get her. I also got the Solo pin, which was it's Han Solo saying "I got this." This one is also a limited edition. Both of those Solo pins were $16.99. And I got this one, which is the summer 2018, which has Goofy just chilling, I guess, maybe in a pool. So this was $14.99. And then this one I absolutely love, and it's Simba with Scar, and this is also limited edition. And if you flip it, it's Simba with Nala. And this pin was $16.99. Then I also got a Wally pin. This one does also move around, and I like how they has the little like ruby red rhinestone thing going on in the middle. And this one was $16.99. Another Pixar Fest item that I got, I got this one for my little brother. It's the Mickey ears with it says Pixar Fest, and then again it says celebrating friendship and beyond, and then it has Jack Jack, and it has Edna Mode on this side, and then on this side you could see a couple of different Pixar characters. And the lady that sold this to me said it was limited edition, they only made 1,000, so I thought this was really cool, and so I got this for him, and he loves Jack Jack, so that movie's really cute. And this one was $17.99. I had to get myself some mini ears, so I got the pink, I think they're the millennial ears, the pink millennial, and I got some for me and I got some for my sister as well, and they're really cute and pink, so I love these. And then to match with those ears, I had to get the pink jersey, really pink and glittery, and so it has the Disneyland logo with little with pink print and sparkles or glitter, and this one was $60. I got myself a couple shirts. So this is the Splash Mountain shirt. I saw this online like a while ago, but you're not able to get it online, only at the park. So I saw it and I know I had to get it, and this one was $24.99. And then another shirt that I had to get was the Incredicoaster pass holder 2018. It has like all the Incredibles, and Dash is down here. Had to get it since it's the opening of the ride, and I loved it. And then this one was $29.99. So if you've seen the rose gold mini backpack, I really wanted to get it, and I was so excited when I saw it come out probably like a week before we went to Disneyland. So I was like, oh, I'm going to totally get it, but nope, they were sold out. So I did find this wallet though. So it's the matching wallet that goes with it, and it has the bow right here, the mini ears, and then it opens up right here. You can put your ID, your cards, and then money in here. And I love how it's pink with polka dots, and in the other side opens up, and then you can also put money in here or change. And this one was $50, and I had never gotten books before, but at Disneyland, but I saw these and I thought these were really cool. So this is the maps book of the Disney parks. So I think it's it says charting 60 years from California to Shanghai. So it has the maps pretty much of all the parks, all the Disney parks there is. And as you can see in the back, which I thought was really cool and would be really interesting. It's a little different, so it opens up like this, and then it's just like a regular book, and it has different maps and stuff. So I'm really excited to read this. This one was $40, and probably my absolute most favorite item that I got in the parks was this book right here. So it's the Pixar A Pop-Up Celebration. It has a Pixar ball, as you can see right here, and this book is amazing, you guys. So like, it's full of pop-up art, and then it has little books right here of the different Pixar movies, and they all pop up pretty much, and they just go back in. These also, if you pull them down, you can see the Pixar shorts movies. So I thought it was really cool. So yeah, and it has the different, as you can see, and I'm not gonna open all of them, but they're all just really cute. This one's the up one, so you could see it opens up to the house, and it has all the other movies. This one was a little bit more pricey. It was $65, but I thought this was so cute, and I'm gonna keep this forever and ever and ever. And I kind of wish I would have bought two, but I already got a bunch of other things, so it's okay. At least I got one, and I was really excited to get this. So yeah, that wraps it up for my Disneyland haul. Hope you guys liked it. I loved everything that I got, and I had so much fun. Have any of you guys gone to the Pixar Fest? Let me know in the comments below, or if you've got any of this merchandise, let me know which one's your favorite. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.